Welcome to episode 1. Let us learn how to sign up on the Suzuki Connect app. In today's digital-first world, you communicate, socialize, transact. You are in total control of your environment. When it comes to your car, you want to have the same amount of control. Well, you surely can. All you need is the Suzuki Connect on your phone. Now, let's learn how to use the app. Download the app from Play Store or the App Store. It supports both Android 5.0 and above and iOS 12.0 and above. Sign up on the Suzuki Connect app. Enter your registered mobile number and vehicle registration number. On submitting the details, set up your password. Remember to use the same mobile number as provided to the dealership. In case you need to change the number, you have to pay a visit to the dealership. You are now connected to your car, and once you connect your car to Suzuki Connect, you'll stay connected to it always. To know more about the Suzuki Connect, log on to www.marutisuzuki.com/Suzuki Connect.